Without a stone, talk to throw a bone. For a while, sleeping like a bee. For curiosity, the Cadillac you see. Stranded on the carpet, head over the faucet. You're my alibi. It's fair enough you wanna cock it, hoping I'll forget following the night. You made a joke about the half-cut, ate a metaphor, and later made her cry. Changing and it's so apparent. Got a cold white rabbit's foot at home. Day. I'm standing on in space. I love the scenery. My happiness is misery, and nothing's like it used to be. 'Cause everybody now is sorry for himself. So why the hell am I to blame? I never underestimate